Welcome to my channel Pharma.Achievers. In today's video, we will learn how to use ImageJ software for determining the average particle size and also to set the scale bar. So for this, you just have to open the ImageJ software. Now you don't need ImageJ software to be installed in your system. You just have to open the application. So here comes your ImageJ application. Now you will go to the file option, open your image. Like I have a tame image, so I'll just open the tame image here. Just open it. So here it comes. Now if you go for uh, determining the particle size, so you need to measure the scale first. You have to define it. So select this straight line and now measure the scale bar. You have to define this. Just measure this one. Okay, now go to analyze, and now these are the options. So you can set the scale here. So first you have to set the scale. Set scale. So this is the distance in pixel, and the known distance is, that is mentioned here, 2 micrometer. So the unit is 2 micrometer. So I will click OK. So now the distance 2 micrometer has been given to the system in pixel. So now you can measure the particles. Let's suppose you will measure this particle from here to here. You will go to analyze and then click on measure. So this is giving the particle 1 measurement. This is the area, this is the mean value, minimum, maximum, this is the angle, and this is the particle length. So now you have selected one particle. Let's suppose this is the second particle. Again go to analyze, measure, or you can just click this Ctrl plus N. So this is the measurement of second particle. So the length is 0.461 micrometer. So likewise you can determine the size of as much you want to measure. So I will show you few more. Now this is fourth one, this is the fifth one. So go to analyze again and then measure. So I have selected 5 particles and measured their area, the length also. So we need, for particle size, we need this length. Now what you can do, you can go to analyze and you can summarize this. So that will give you the mean value with standard deviation. So for this 5 particle, so the mean of length is 0.498. So in this way you can determine the particle size, average particle size, and this is the standard deviation. So now as you have measured the particle size, and if you want to change this scale bar according to your need, so that can also be done. So what you have to do, you go to this rectangle option, just select the area you need. Suppose for this area you will go to image and you will go to crop. So that will crop the image. Now you will go to analyze, then this tools, and you will go to scale bar. Now already you have introduced the length in your image with respect to pixel. So now this is already giving the 0.66 micrometer scale bar. So you can change this if you want to make it like 2 micrometer, just like 2 micrometer. You can change the color to black or any sorts of color you want, red or green, anything you want. So now you can change the location also. If you want it on the right side, upper right side, so you can place here. If you want to lower left, so that can be done. So in this way, just keep it on the left side, right side. So I will decrease the size as, like, suppose 0.2 micrometer, or like it is 1 micrometer. So this is the image with a new scale bar. Now you can save the image. So you will save as, you can save in these formats. So generally for publication you prefer this TIFF format. So now you save the file. You can save here also, giving 12, like new. Okay, so I'll save this. So if I go back to that folder where I have saved the image, so here I will get the image which I have saved with the new scale bar. So that is the new image with this new scale bar. So in this way you can measure the particle size, average particle size, as well as you can change the scale bar also. Thank you for watching.